Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the world of HTML. Does anyone know what HTML stands for?
Hypertext Markup Language?
That's right, Emily. HTML is the standard language for creating web pages. It's the foundation of all websites. Have any of you used HTML before?
I've seen some HTML code, but I don't really understand how it works.
Same here. It looks like a bunch of tags and stuff.
Yeah, I've played around with it a bit. It seems pretty straightforward once you get the hang of it.
HTML is just a way to structure content on the web, right?
Exactly, Mia. HTML uses tags to structure content. Let's start with a basic example. Imagine we want to create a simple web page with a heading and a paragraph. It would look something like this.
What do those tags mean?
Great question, Emily. Let's break it down. The doctype HTML declaration defines this document to be HTML5. The HTML tag is the root element of an HTML page. Inside it, we have the head and body sections. The head contains meta information about the HTML document, like its title, which is shown in the browser's title bar or tab.
And the body is where all the content goes?
Exactly, Barbara. The body tag contains the content of the HTML document. Inside the body, we have a heading tag H1 for the main heading and a paragraph tag P for regular text.
So, the tags are like containers for different types of content?
That's right, Olivia. Each tag has an opening and a closing part. For example, H1 is the opening tag and /H1 is the closing tag. They wrap around the content to define its role on the page.
What other tags should we know about?
Good question, Sophia. Some common tags include a for links, img for images, and ul and li for lists. There are many more, but those are some basics you'll encounter often.
Is there a specific order we should follow when using these tags?
Yes, Mia. HTML has a hierarchical structure. You should nest tags properly, like putting list items li inside an unordered list ul. It helps keep the code organized and ensures the web page displays correctly.
What happens if we don't close a tag properly?
If you don't close a tag, the browser might not render the page correctly. It could mess up the layout or even make some content disappear. Always make sure to close your tags.
Are there any tools that help write HTML?
Absolutely, Barbara. There are many text editors and IDEs like Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text, and Atom that provide syntax highlighting and other features to make writing HTML easier. Plus, there are browser developer tools to help you debug your HTML.
This is starting to make sense now. What's the next step after learning HTML?
After HTML, the next step is to learn CSS, which is used for styling your web pages, and JavaScript, which adds interactivity. Together, they form the foundation of front-end web development.
That sounds exciting. I can't wait to start styling my web pages.
And making them interactive with JavaScript will be really cool.
I'm glad you're all excited. We'll dive into CSS and JavaScript soon. For now, practice writing some basic HTML, and feel free to ask any questions as you go along. Happy coding, everyone!
Mary, do you know what makes my beautiful IT school even more beautiful?
Let me guess. Awesome viewers who like, subscribe, and share our videos?
Exactly. We love teaching you, and we want to reach even more tech enthusiasts.
So if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends.
Let's grow our tech community together. Thanks for watching.
See you in the next tech adventure.